Good morning to everyone at today's public hearing of the Vetting Commission established under Law Number 65 on the external evaluation of judges and candidates for judges of the Supreme Court of Justice. I'm Scott Bales, the chair of the Commission, and I declare this session open. The hearing is being conducted under the Commission's Rules of Organization and Functioning as part of the evaluation process. The subject of today's hearing is Ludmila Bolocan, a candidate for the position of Judge of the Supreme Court of Justice. The evaluation in relation to Ms. Bolocan was carried out under Law Number 65 on the external evaluation of judges and candidates for the position of Judge of the Supreme Court of Justice. Ms. Bolocan is a lawyer. Welcome. I'm joined by 4 other Commission members. To my left is Vice Chair Andre Bevel. To my right is Commission member Lillian Ansu. And further to my left are Commission members Lavly Perling and Yuri Gatskin. The Commission is also assisted by members of its Secretariat, and you may notice in the room behind you some members of the media or the public. A photographer is present who will take photographs briefly just at the beginning of the hearing. The hearing will be conducted with interpretation between Romanian and English. To allow for accurate interpretation, I ask that everyone speak slowly. Only one person should speak at a time. The proceedings are being recorded. The recordings of the Commission's public hearings generally will be available online at the Commission's website, www.vettingmd.eu, within 3 days after the hearing. I will start by briefly reviewing the evaluation process for Ms. Bolocan. The Commission initiated its evaluation on February 15th of this year by notifying Ms. Bolocan by email and asking her to complete and return an ethics questionnaire and the financial declarations required by Law Number 65. She returned the completed declarations and questionnaire on the 20th of February, 2024. As part of evaluating a subject's ethical and financial integrity, the Commission also obtains information from many other sources, such as the National Integrity Authority, the State Fiscal Service, the General Inspector of the Border Police, other public institutions, financial institutions, and open sources. The Commission assesses information it obtains for its relevance and reliability. On May 1st of 2024, the Commission asked Ms. Bolocan to provide additional information to clarify certain matters. She provided answers and documents on May 8th. On May 17th, the Commission asked Ms. Bolocan to provide additional information to clarify matters further. She provided answers and documents on May 23rd. On May 31st of this year, we notified Ms. Bolocan that the Commission had completed its investigation and had not identified any areas of doubt about her compliance with the ethical and financial criteria. The Commission also invited her to attend today's hearing. Ms. Bolocan did not request access to the materials collected during her evaluation. According to Article 24 of Paragraph 3 of the Commission's rules, if the Commission, based on the information it has collected and reviewed, does not have doubts about the subject's compliance with the integrity criteria, it shall send the subject a written notice and set a hearing at least 10 days after the notice, where it will ask the subject to confirm the accuracy of the information provided and announce that, absent its receipt of new information, the Commission will adopt an evaluation report containing the proposal for promotion. Ms. Bolocan, do you wish to make any corrections or additions to the answers you've provided to the Commission's request for information?
No, I don't want to add anything or to correct anything because I consider that the data I offered is correct. I have nothing to add.
And are the answers that you provided to the Commission and the information that you provided in the 5-year declarations and to the ethics questionnaire that you returned on February 20th of this year, are they still accurate as of today?
In the beginning, there were some unclarities regarding the profits and incomes. I did not correctly understand what the profit and income meant. Then I checked the declarations that I submitted to the tax authorities, And I saw there was a difference, so I sent the income declarations. And I think that in the second round of additional questions, I have sent the declarations that I submitted to the tax authority. Those are the correct ones. There was just an unclarity regarding the figures, but in the declarations, it is clear that it was an error from my side. I indicated the profit, not the income.
Okay, and so but with that correction, the information then would be accurate as of today? With the correction that you made?
Да, la momentul actual, după corectările efectuate.
Yes, after those corrections, the information is accurate.
And are the answers to the ethics questionnaire still accurate as of today?
Exact.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. Ms. Bolocan, would you like to make a brief statement before we conclude today's hearing? Is there anything you'd like to say?
Nu știu ce aș putea spune.
I don't know what I could say. I consider that the data I offered was checked or confirmed with the support of the documents. I had nothing to hide, especially that I was not subject to declarations. But given the fact that these are the requirements of the vetting commission, I complied with the requirements and I submitted the requested data.
Okay, well, thank you. Then we've come to the end of today's hearing. Thank you again for your submissions and answers to the Commission's questions. After the hearing, the Commission will approve an evaluation report stating its conclusion whether the subject meets the criteria for ethical and financial integrity under Law Number 65. The Commission will strive to complete its evaluation report and announce its conclusion as soon as possible. It generally seeks to do so within a month after a subject's public hearing. This hearing is now closed. Good day to everyone. Thank you.
Și eu vă mulțumesc.
Thank you too.